April 26th, outside of Ithaca, New York. You see blue skies being damaged by the chemical pilots. Just catching a few flights today, so you'll see by sunset what they turn this gorgeous sky into. They will turn it into sky garbage. April 26th, and the wind is starting to come out again here for us in Ithaca. And when the sun comes out, the dumpers April 26th, outside Ithaca, New York, catching some flights, one right behind the other. Catching the damage that they're going to do to our blue skies. We'll see by sunset what they're able to accomplish. April 26th, outside Ithaca, New York, just catching some flights today. They're bombarding us because of the blue sky. By the end of the day, you'll see the damage that they do. April 26th, and just catching some flights. They're starting the mass assault for tomorrow, setting up the shield. They're setting up the shield for tomorrow so we don't have any sun. And there's another one. April 26th. I don't know if we can see that criminal. But they drive right through those clouds. Their other chemical set up clouds. They drive right through them. So you see we have blue skies today, and it took half the day for the sun to break through, and now that it did, the other half the day, they will be setting up for the next day, so we have no sun for at least half that day. And then of course the haze, the bright white haze is setting up over here that they're already doing. Oh, and there's another flight way over there. Oh, on camera. And I'm just catching the flights on camera as I can today. Catching the criminals in action. So people start seeing the pattern that's set up every single day. By the end of today, right now we have the white haze set up. Oh, there's another criminal. By the end of today, we should have complete coverage. Wow, that does not look like a plane. That's shining really bright, like, wow, I wish I had a good camera. There he is. There he is, that creepy criminal. April 26th, outside Ithaca, New York, catching them in action, catching the crimes in action. April 26th, and as you see, as the evening progresses, You can see the sky garbage they've been dumping as it hazes out the sun. It hides the sun as they keep driving right past the sun to shoot their garbage. The haze sets up. That is all chemical, heavy metal garbage. It's heavy metals and it's other poisons, and they shoot it, and then it spreads out. It spreads out like this. This is what they shoot all day long. It spreads out and it blocks the sun. That's why it's still very cold here, even though the sun is trying. Oh, there's another one. Even though the sun tries to come out, it stays behind this haze. This heavy metal haze. There he is. There, now he's on the camera. Whenever the sun comes out, they shoot this shit and garbage, block the sun. To poison and kill us all. So keep thinking what you want to think, people. But look up Agenda 21, mass genocide. There's the haze. We're supposed to have blue skies, blue, but they attack. These jets attack the blue skies in the sun with heavy metal sprays that spread and turn into this white haze which blocks the true sun. And you might think it's sun, but it's not sunshine. It's sunshine that has been blocked by chemicals. It's called geoengineering. And it is happening on a daily basis to us all. April 26th. I'm catching the criminals as many times this evening because I'm home and I can. So I'm catching the military criminals as they're poisoning us and setting up the sun shields for tomorrow, April 27th. Here's another one. And we'll see as the sun setting, with the sun over there getting blocked by the mega loads of garbage being shot at it. We'll catch a few more flights for the evening and then catch the final result of what they've done at the end of the evening with their sky garbage. That people say they're not doing anything wrong and these are normal jets. Remember, I am not in a flight path. I am in no one's flight path. If I look on the radar, there's about 3 planes a day that fly by me legitimately. These military jets do not show up on radar. They cannot be found. If you call the airport, they will tell you there are no planes in the area, while 27 of them pass me in an hour. April 26th. Outside of Ithaca, New York. Just catching some criminals in action. can almost hardly see them through the haze. There he is. Another one. They're all over tonight. And they've got this sky garbage set up really. You can see where they've been shooting. April 26th. You can see that one there. They drive right through their other lines they make. Watch him come out the other side. There he is, coming out the other side. They seem to intersect their other streams of garbage. That is not a cloud, people. That is not a cloud. That is sprayed garbage. Sprayed by your government and military to not only block the sun, but to poison you. And you see what's happened to our blue sky? Our blue sky has been turned to garbage. Long chemical lines of garbage. Wherever they spray, there's another one coming this way. There he is. There he is. It's been never ending today. And you see what has been done to the blue sky. It has been turned into a chemical haze. And there's another one. These are not commuter planes. They do not show up on the radar. I only have about 3 commuter flights per day that fly by. The rest are all military planes that do not show up on the radar. And this is what they do to the blue sky. It's called geoengineering the weather. Look it up. And while they're at it, they're dropping millions of tons of poisons on us. Strontium, barium, aluminum. Your children are being poisoned. You are being poisoned. We are all being poisoned. That's a very psychedelic looking one. Must be a new batch. One day of filming. A lot of damage. April 26th. And the mark of the beast. Right over my house. That means, fuck you. We can do whatever we want to do to you. No one can stop us. You are garbage. That's what they do to us. That's our government and our military. Telling us we're trash and we're pieces of shit. And they can do whatever they want to do to us down here. That's what they do. They mark us with an X. Letting us know what pieces of trash we are to them. And then the end of the day, they have filled our sky with garbage. They have been working extremely hard today and trashing us all and turning our sky completely chemical. It's been worse, but they've been at it. Whoever thinks that this is normal might be an imbecile. These are all chemicals. There is nothing natural about this. And there is nothing natural about that. April 26th, the end of another day that they trashed for us by blocking the sun. This, people, is not normal.